Today we will take a look at the price of the Rebus token. We will also take a look what is the public coin distribution. Then we will be going through some information to know should I sell my airdrop from Rebus, yes or no. So we will be covering that question also. You could see in the previous video on my channel, this one right here, I will leave a card right now. In this video you will find every information that you need to know how to claim, how to stake, and all the other information that you need to know about the airdrop. And then last but not least, we will take a look at the Stride airdrop, when it's gonna be claimable, when will they be airdropping. We did also a video on the channel, as you can see right here, how to claim the Stride airdrop. Every detail that you need to know you can find in this video. If there's anything else, just leave a comment. But they should have launched at the end of September. It would be announced. So we will take a look at that also. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoWolf. So let's get into the video right away. First of all, let's look at the price of Rebus. As you can see, we see a tweet right here. This is from today. Holy moly, I don't know which is which, but whatever the accurate price is, $12 or $7, is already super duper good. Will Rebus be the next milking cow after EVMOS? If you do not know what EVMOS is or why they call it a milking cow, go to my channel and watch the EVMOS videos. As you can see, here is one, and I have multiple videos on the channel about EVMOS. Go check that out. So we see the price at $12 or $7. I have to disappoint you. I was also very excited, but that's not the price. So I will show you the exact price. We just come over to Frontier Osmosis Zone. Every link that I use will be dropped in the description. You will see used links in the video, and there you will find all the links that I use in my videos. So do not worry about that. So if we come to here, we click onto swap, we just connect our wallet, then we click onto swap, and we come to Rebus and we see it's $1.10 at the moment. So that's the price of the Rebus token for now. And yes, you can already buy it or sell it. That's a choice that you need to make. Let me know in the comments, are you buying or selling your Rebus token, or are you just staking it? Just let me know. So now that we know the price, let's take a look what is the Rebus public coin distribution. So here they will explain why should you care about the public coin distribution and what is it exactly. So as you can see, the excitement is building as they are getting closer to their milestone, the public coin distribution. This will start today, marking the first time Rebus is available for all to purchase and become a first adopter of the traditional finance to DeFi platform. So today they are launching the public coin distribution. And this is very simple. From today on, other people can start buying the Rebus token to profit of it in the later future. So this is what's happening right now. So if there come more investors to the market and start buying the Rebus token, the Rebus will benefit from this, and we as holders will benefit from this also. So as you can see, the Rebus token acts as a regulatory vertical for traditional finance investors, the catalyst for DeFi adoption. If you have been part of the crypto scene for a while, I won't blame you for agreeing that it's more a question of when than if we see hyper adoption. Said hyper adoption has happened to other industries in our lifetime, such as the internet. However, crypto has something which allows the average investor to benefit from this adoption by being early. That something is called public coin distribution, a way for all to invest in the potential of this technology that we all love. So it's basically you just have the chance to buy it now early onto the market before we get busy with the project. So they're explaining right here, this is beyond crypto. They're trying to bring traditional finance, get them involved. As you can see, 20% of Americans own crypto and about 1 billion people worldwide. that leaves us with 6.7 billion people who do not understand or hold crypto. And Rebus strongly believes it's a top contributor to bridging the gap between people's lack of knowledge and their first DeFi investment by enabling traditional finance to offer DeFi to their existing customers. So they have some financial partners already, and they have 6 billion in assets ready to diversify. This includes Gold Crane Capital, Medijest, and Studio P. If you know one of these, let me know in the comments. I don't know them myself, but these asset managers allocate trillions of investment dollars annually and are an essential link to Rebus' success. So yeah, there's some very interesting things. Make sure to read the article if you have the time for that, and make sure to get some more knowledge onto the project if you're interested. Also, keep in mind, no future-looking investment can grant a guaranteed return, even in the most prominent organizations or funds. However, what we can do in an attempt to review the upside of investing in Rebus public coin distribution, for instance, it's to make assumptions about the macro investment climate and where we believe, based on our network and statistics, we see it heading. So, this is some interesting things to think about. So to say it's short, a public coin distribution, they are offering the tokens into the market to the people right now, from today on. So potentially there is a chance that you buy today and you can profit of it in a couple of days, weeks, months, years. That's all up to you. Now, some people were already asking, should I sell my Rebus token? My answer is, that's something you have to decide for yourself. But you received an airdrop for staking OSMO, EVMOS, ATOM, I don't know which one, or maybe all of them. And you should decide for yourself, will I sell and how much will I sell? I will tell you my own strategy, and that is, for now I'm not selling anything. So I have staked, since I received my airdrop on 15 September, around that date, I staked my Rebus tokens, as you can see right here. This rewards, this is right now nothing, because it should be a staking EPR between 400 to 500% annually. So if we count it out very quick, we have around 220 tokens a month I should be earning. So in the price of today, that's $200, $220, something like that in the month, passive income by staking this airdrop. So I myself, I will keep staking, and maybe I will start selling rewards. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, put on your notifications to stay up to date with what I'm doing with this airdrop. But for now, I will do the same just as EVMOS and stake it and keep compounding my airdrop. So I myself, I will not be selling, but I received the airdrop for multiple chains, EVMOS, OSMO, ATOM, and there is a big chance I will sell 25%, 1/4 of my total airdrop amount right away. But for now, I'm not going to be doing it because I am very excited for the price of the Rebus token. There is a potential that it will be a lot more worth than $1. That's a potential, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments, what do you think will the price be of Rebus into the future? Will it drop more lower like it happens with a lot of airdrops, or will it pump like it happens with a few airdrops such as Juno, Osmo, EVMOS? Those were really good ones. But hey, let me know, what are you planning to do? Also, very important, keep in mind, we are not earning rewards until 1 October. So this is just transaction fees from the pool, I'm guessing. So this rewards I'm just getting by people who are swapping, and the fee is going to the stakers. That's what I'm thinking for now, but we only start earning from around 1 October. So do not trip about this. 1 October, you will see popping your rewards. And there is a potential I will be doing a part 2 of this video to keep you up to date. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Now that we are talking about airdrops, we are gonna be looking at the Stride airdrop when it will be launching. We can see right here 26/28, and they said it would be announced when the airdrop will launch. But for now, we don't have any information about when the airdrop will launch. They are right now into the Cosmosverse, the team, and I will show you this into Discord. As you can see, if we click onto announcements, you will see they are right now currently at Cosmoverse, and we couldn't be happier with the reception that Stride got within the Cosmos community. So they have their pink swag on and they have their person talking onto the stage. This is the team, the pink flamingos, whatever they are. How would you call them? And do you like the project? Do you like the team? This is something I'm very interested in. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know. So as we can see right here, some people are asking it, how is it with the airdrop? And hey friend, hope you're not stressed today. If we click onto this, you will see, firstly, thanks for your kind response, blah, 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 blah. We don't even have a date for rewards. So it's a bit unclear when the airdrop will happen. But I will look at 1 October, I will put a reminder in my agenda, and 1 October I will check if the staking rewards are live, yes or no, and potentially it will be a big airdrop. Let's hope that. I will keep you up to date, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone, bye bye.